Hello there kids and welcome to today's lesson. Today we will learn whole numbers 999. And at the end of today's lesson, you should be able to count to 999 correctly, state the place value of a digit in a 3-digit number, order whole numbers using the greater than or less than symbol, mention the need for counting and ordering. So are you all ready? Then let's begin. To count from 1 to 999, you should have to count 999 whole numbers, starting from 1 and ending with 999, just like you would count 10 whole numbers to count from 1 to 10. Now remember, a whole number is usually any number that is not a fraction or a decimal. Now, counting whole numbers to 999 takes much more time. There are ways we can count to 999 faster. Can you think of any? Well, skip counting. Skip counting is when you count using any whole number besides 1. There are ways we can skip count whole numbers to get to 999 and also backwards from 999. We could count by 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 10s and so on. The number you choose to skip count with determines how fast we could go, even by hundreds. Now let's look at an example on how to skip count to 999. 109, 159, 209, 259, 309, 359, 409, 459, 509, 559, 609, 659, 709, 759, 809, 859, 909, 959, 999. Counting numbers helps us to understand that numbers have an order. This can also help us know the value of each digit. In math, every digit in a number has a place value. Do we all remember place values? Place values tells us the value of a digit based on the position it is in. Now, 3-digit whole numbers use units, tens and hundreds to show their value. Single-digit whole numbers start from 0 to 9 and in the place value system are called units. We know numbers are also used to express quantities. Now, what happens after 9 items? We use another column called tens column to show the value of 2-digit numbers. And when we want to express quantities that are more than 99, then we add another column called 100. Therefore, the number 978 means 900, 7 tens and 8 units, while 465 is 400, 6 tens, 5 units. Next, we will learn how to order numbers using greater than and less than sign. Numbers can be ordered from the lowest to the highest, also known as ascending order, or from the highest to the lowest, also known as descending order. This is the greater than sign, and it is used to show that a number or mathematical expression on the left is bigger or higher than the one on the right. For example, the mathematical expression on your screen means that 58 is higher than 22. The less than sign is used to show that the number or mathematical expression on the left is smaller or lower than the one on the right. Example, the mathematical expression on your screen means that 22 is smaller than 58. Now meet Adebola, Lois and Zubaida. They are 159 centimeters 172 centimeters and 169 centimeters tall respectively. Can you tell which girl is the shortest and which is the tallest? Now, in order to decide who the tallest girl and shortest girl is, we will have to arrange their heights in an ascending order from lowest to highest. So, Adebola at 159 centimeters comes first, followed by Zubaida at 169 centimeters and Lois at 172 centimeters. With this, we get that Adebola is the shortest and Lois is the tallest. So, counting and ordering is useful in everyday activities like calculating money for food, transportation and other expenses, cooking, or anything that involves the idea of proportion and percentage, measuring items, and telling the time you spent on work or school. Now with this, we come to the end of today's lesson. Today, we have learned to count to 199 correctly using skip counting. We also learned how to state the place value of a digit in a 3-digit number. We also looked at how to order whole numbers using the greater than or less than symbol. And we also stated the need for counting and ordering. And now, it's assessment time. Here are some questions for you to attempt.